Are certainly improving out there. We're seeing a little bit more sunshine right now, and we are expecting sunshine through the afternoon. It's a hot one, and the humidity is high as well. You may have noticed that yesterday the sun peaked out and it felt pretty hot right away, and that's what we're feeling outside right now. That's mainly because of these high dew points, and that's also why we've had the fog each and every morning, and we'll see it again tomorrow likely. You can see the fog again, as Jim said, finally able to see the buildings in Center City. In Bethlehem, we've got some blue sky, still a little foggy in the Poconos, but getting better all across the region. You can still see the haze and fog down in South Philly. At one point, you could not see Lincoln Financial Field in the distance there. Then we use that kind of as our barometer today, and now you're able to see it at least, but still a little foggy, a little hazy. It's 63 degrees at the airport with a south wind at 5 miles an hour, but visibilities have improved. Right now, the densest fog we have is still over Newcastle County, Delaware, Wilmington, down to about a mile visibility, but heading through the afternoon, that is going to improve. And look at your day. It is absolutely gorgeous this afternoon. If you don't mind the heat, you're going to love today. We're heading to the low to mid 80s across the region. Lots of sunshine and then clear and dry tonight, and a very similar day on the way for tomorrow. But then things begin to change. I'll take you through the end of the week and the upcoming Memorial Day weekend forecast in just a few minutes. Jim, back over to you.
Thank you so much.
There will be some shower chances, but I think you'll have a chance to get outside as well. It is going to be a little bit cooler down the shore than it will be in the city. We're near 80 most of the weekend in the city, probably closer to 70 down the shore. So you may need to pack the sweatshirts. It's probably not going to be hot, jump in the ocean kind of weather. Ocean water temperatures, as we know, still quite chilly this time of the year, but we will have some time to get outside over the holiday weekend. So let's get right into it. We'll start off with your weather headlines this morning. A stretch of 80s begins today. Today is a hot one, and it's a bit humid as well. You may have noticed that in the past couple of days, we've had a lot of moisture. Everything is damp, high humidity, and it is going to be a bit of a steamy afternoon, but it's dry until Thursday. Now, there may be a pop-up shower or storm off to the west tomorrow evening, but Thursday looks like the day to kind of circle for more thunderstorm activity. It's not a washout of a day, though. You'll still see some sun Thursday. Shower chances for the holiday weekend on and off. As of now, it's looking most likely Saturday and Monday, with some breaks in between. We'll take a closer look in just a moment. Let's start with today's forecast. Morning clouds and afternoon sun in the city. The clouds and fog already clearing, and it's going to be a bright sunny afternoon. 69 down the shore and 86 in the Lehigh Valley. Very warm day outside. You can see the clouds are clearing. Sky's looking good right now. The fog lifting, and high pressure is in control, keeping us protected from this next advancing system. This one over here, which is moving through the Midwest today and is going to bring the risk for severe weather to parts of Iowa and Illinois. And that front then marches eastward. The high slips off the coast, and we start to steam up a little more and eventually allow some thunderstorms to creep in. So today is dry. Tomorrow looks quiet as well. You can see maybe a pop-up shower or storm in our westernmost zones here tomorrow afternoon. And then as we get into our Thursday, that's when it looks like our front finally makes some progress. Gusty thunderstorms are possible, especially mid-afternoon near the city, and then later in the day or at night down the shore and in parts of Delaware. That front then sags to the south, and it's going to be hanging out there into the weekend. So as far as severe weather, today you can see it is a level 4 out of 5, a moderate risk for severe weather for parts of Iowa, Illinois, and northern Missouri. And then this continues to march east tomorrow. Best threat for severe weather tomorrow is well off to the west, and the threat is reduced for us by the time it gets here Thursday. Marginal, that's a level 1 out of 5 risk, but can't rule out the threat for a gusty thunderstorm. Then that front sags just south of us, and there may be a morning shower Friday, especially down the shore. Saturday, a weak disturbance along that same boundary could trigger a few showers, and then Sunday, a brief break in the action before another system on Memorial Day Monday. So again, there's that front on Friday. It's pretty far to the south. Another disturbance nearby on Saturday brings the chance for a few showers. It's a break in the action here Sunday, and then Monday, here comes another area of low pressure, which could bring some shower chances. So it looks like Friday and Sunday, the drier of the weekend days. Saturday, a shower or storm chance, and Monday looks like shower chances likely. So you may want to get in the car and head home a little bit earlier, depending on how the forecast pans out. We will continue to keep an eye on it and keep you posted. Jim, I'll send it back to you.
Thank you, Kate.